If you're looking for an easy way to extract online forum discussions for insights, Browse AI is the tool you need. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up Browse AI to pull data from forums, whether it's for market research, customer feedback, or just to stay updated with niche discussions. Stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive bonus to share that'll get you access to a free trial of Browse AI. First off, Browse AI is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to extract data from websites, including forums, without needing any coding skills. It works by mimicking human browsing behavior, capturing specific content from any site, and giving you structured data ready to use. Whether you're pulling discussion threads, comments, or any forum-specific data, Browse AI makes the process seamless. Getting started with Browse AI is straightforward. After signing up, you'll create a new project for the forum you want to scrape. It's as easy as entering the URL of the forum, and Browse AI's AI-powered tools will analyze the page structure. This is where it gets cool. Browse AI automatically recognizes the content you want to capture, like discussion threads, usernames, post dates, or even upvotes. All you need to do is point and click to tell it exactly what to grab. Once you've selected what you want to extract, Browse AI gives you options to schedule regular data extraction. So if you're monitoring a specific forum for updates, Browse AI can keep pulling the latest discussions on a set schedule, ensuring you never miss a thing. The best part? If you're new to scraping and data extraction, Browse AI is extremely user-friendly. You don't have to worry about writing complex code or dealing with technical roadblocks. The platform does all the heavy lifting for you, and the learning curve is minimal. It's intuitive enough that anyone, even without technical experience, can get value out of it right away. Now let's talk about the flexibility. If you're extracting forum discussions for research purposes or content creation, Browse AI helps you organize and export the data in formats like CSV, JSON, or Excel. You can easily analyze or visualize the data once it's extracted, saving you hours of manual work. I mentioned earlier that this tool is perfect for those who want to save time and automate the data collection process. But there's even more. You can set up notifications so that you get alerted when specific discussions are posted, which is perfect if you're keeping an eye on certain keywords or topics. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or researcher, extracting online forum discussions has never been easier. The ability to pull rich, structured data from forums gives you a competitive edge, whether you're tracking trends, analyzing competitor discussions, or building content ideas based on what people are actually talking about. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, you can get Browse AI for completely free by using the first link in the description. In fact, we've arranged an exclusive extended trial for our viewers, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Browse AI can streamline the data collection process and save you a ton of time. With a few clicks, you'll be extracting valuable insights that would otherwise take hours to gather manually. So, if you're ready to leverage this powerful tool and extract online forum discussions with ease, check out the link below to get your exclusive bonus and start your free trial today.